Everyone, if your wheel is uneven, it's not straight, there is a way. Even if you're driving straight, there's a way to fix this. It's very easy. For your safety, you will need to disconnect the battery, move the wheel away from the dashboard, you will need a T27 Allen wrench. There is two holes in the back of the wheel, one here and there's one on the other side right here. So there's here and here. So you'll need to take this down. So take them out. The screws will stay inside, and then you'll pull the airbag out as so. You don't have to disconnect the airbag. If you do, then you have to reset the computer from the airbag error. Next thing, get the larger tool like this. You will need T35 and you will need a little bit of extension to get the bigger lever. So those T's, you need to twist the wheel counterclockwise. Gently pull it out like this and make it straight and put it back. Make sure it's straight. Put your bolt back. Loose lever to tighten it heavier a little bit. So as you can see, the screws stay in place. Place the airbag back.
And it went so completely poorly for Abigail Spanberger, and mostly because
and securely tie them on the back.
The Democrat nominee for Attorney General, he's a big believer in political.
Make sure it's tight. Go back on the road. I'm in my cul-de-sac. It's safe, no cars here. But you can see right now, wheel is perfectly straight. I hope I was help a lot of you. The same way you can change the airbag. Thanks for watching my video.